Now that you have successfully built the walls up to window height, we need to prepare the door frame for installation. If you're having trouble finding the bottom part of the door frame, it's interlocked with the top part to avoid damage in transit. These parts must be separated before trying to construct the door. To begin, place the 4 parts of the door frame in position and join them together using 70mm screws in each corner of the frame. Once the frame is screwed together, lay it down on the floor and measure the diagonals to ensure that it's square. Following the door's construction, the next step will be screwing in the SMB brackets to the door frame and wall logs. This will be explained in the next video.